California, I now pronounce you man and wife.
Have I told you today that I love you?
I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile.
Siguro in one night, mga 100 times na.
O, gawin na natin 101.
Just like a thread that keeps unraveling, but then it ties us back together.
Kailangan mo nang magpunta dito sa Amerika kaagad-agad.
In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why your love's alive.
You're not gonna invite me inside?
We're drifting safely at the shore. I think
Ganyan ka ba talaga?
Ano? Spontaneous, out of the box, free-spirited.
Exciting.
warned me that life changes, that no one really knows whether time would make us strangers.
Alam mo, being alone in a foreign land, nakakasira ng ulo.
How do you do it?
For Julia.
In a world where nothing's
I'm so proud of my ate.
through it all, our love is still real.
Ang mata ng lalaki, hindi na nila nakikita yung mga generous, personality, mga pure heart na yan. Siyempre, ang una nila nakikita, cleavage, skin, legs. Yan ang mga gusto nila.
In your eyes,
Kailangan natin ng pera, kailangan mong makisama. Ano na lang mangyayari sa'yo dito? Resign ka ng resign dahil ayaw mo trabaho.
Puro ka na ng pera eh!
the reasons why
Give my sister a chance.
I'm alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore.
Ayoko mawala siya sa akin. I'll die if that happens.
Love you more. In your eyes,
Mahal mo ako, no?
I can see the reasons
I love you rin.
so
Hirapan na ako.
Hindi ko na kaya itong pagsisinungaling natin.
Wala kang sasabihin dahil tapos na tayo.
Shut up! Shut up, both of you! Promise me one thing. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi mo ako iiwan.
Ayoko mawala ka sa akin.